Well, at least 6 people have lost their lives in the tragic incident of stampede near Vishnu Nivasam temple in Tirupati. Now, overcrowding to ensure tokens at Tirumala Srivari Vaikunatha Dwara counter led to stampede, because of which several devotees were injured. Andhra CM Chandrababu Naidu visits the hospital to meet the injured devotees, and state government also announced 25 lakh rupees gratia to the family of the devotees who were killed. CM is also taking stock of the situation.
Well, what we are given to understand from here by talking to some people is that the crowd had started jumping out of the park. They had started behaving unruly and they were being uncontrollable, and the situation inside the park was also looking very bad, and with the fear that if they are going to continue to stay inside, there's going to be uncontrollable and unruly behavior inside the park, and thinking that opening the gates would be giving them some space, more space to breathe and move is what the officials had thought while opening the gate, is what we are given to understand. The locals say that even they were passing through this side, they themselves were scared to see the kind of crowd that was standing inside and the crowd that were pushing each other to try in an attempt to jump out, because they wanted to be the first people to enter the queue, and so that they do not miss the tokens, or they don't by the time they reach the token center, because the token center is right behind this park where there is a school, and they have to wait in this queue and walk through this queue to reach the school. So they were just afraid that they would, by the time they reach the school, they would run out of tokens, and they had to try and be the first people to enter the queue. So everybody wanted to be the first in the queue, and that's why they were pushing. And once people started jumping out, people started shaking the gates and trying the officials to force them to open the gates. It was all becoming a very unruly and uncontrollable, and that is when the officials decided to open the gates, thinking and hoping that it would clear the space. But what had happened is very, very unfortunate, and exactly the opposite of what they hoped to be.